Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing a DIY hair mask that I think would be perfect for the winter season as the colder weather approaches. I think this is going to be really good for helping with frizz, static, and dryness that we all tend to experience throughout the winter time. It's also really easy. All you need is some avocado, some ghee, and some coconut milk. I will give you guys alternatives later in the video. I used one full ripe avocado. I love using avocados in my hair mask because they are really moisturizing and nourishing for my hair. I also used a full can of coconut milk because coconut milk is really good for restoring dry hair and scalp. So it really helps to prevent dandruff if you deal with like dry flaky scalp, and it's also really strengthening for the hair, so I like to use this as part of a protein mask or a nutrition mask. And then I used about 3 tablespoons of ghee. I've spoken about ghee on my channel before, but I love using it in my hair. It's very similar to like using an oil. It really helps to seal in moisture, and it can also help with dandruff. If you don't want to use ghee, I would recommend using an oil like coconut oil or a butter like shea butter instead. Once it's blended, it should be a really smooth and creamy consistency, and I'd recommend running yours through a strainer if you're worried about any bits from the avocado. You will see later on that there are some bits in my hair, but it's from my ghee because it was kind of cold and hard instead of being nice and buttery and soft, so that's why, but I had no issues washing this mask out after. I applied it generously all over my hair, and I focused it mainly on my length and ends. Feel free to apply this to your scalp as well because, as I mentioned before, the ingredients can really help with dandruff and dry scalp. I left this mask in for about 1 hour, and I washed it out with my Aqua Blue Hydrating Argan Shampoo and Conditioner. I didn't use any leave-in products or oils after so that you guys could see the full effects of the mask, and I'm super impressed with how shiny my hair is, with how soft it was, and I definitely see this being a go-to for me in the wintertime. It's been a while since I've done a DIY mask, and it just reminded me how fun they are and relaxing. I literally did this on a Saturday night, and it was just such an easy way to end off my week. I really recommend trying it out if you haven't. Feel free to adjust the quantities of each ingredient depending on your hair length and thickness as well. I also added in a few drops of this playa oil just to show you guys the final result and what my hair would look like after styling. I really like this oil as well. It's really lightweight. I will have it linked down below. But that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comments if you've tried this mask out before or what your thoughts are if you do try it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.